Alright, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 6.5, the properties of logarithms. Let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and expand the log expressions. So for number 14, look at the argument. This is 3 multiplied by x. So when you're expanding it, you can rewrite this as log base 8 of 3 plus log base 8 of x. For number 16, if you look at the argument, this is 3 multiplied by x to the 4th power, so we can expand it as natural log of 3 plus natural log of x to the 4th power. So using the power property, the exponent gets brought to the front to become the coefficient. So let's go ahead and erase this. So now 4 is the coefficient, and that's your answer. So let's look at number 18. We got the argument, which is 6 multiplied by x squared divided by y to the 4th power. So when you guys are expanding this, you can rewrite this as natural log of 6 plus natural log of x squared minus natural log of y to the 4th power. So if you use the power property, you can bring the 2 to the front and bring the 4 to the front. So let's go ahead and erase these exponents. And I'm going to bring them to the front to become the coefficients. So this is going to be 2 times natural log of x minus 4 natural log of y. So for number 20, I'm going to rewrite this cube root as rational exponent. So you're going to see these as log base 5, and then put the parentheses to the 1/3, and then x squared times y. Next, I'm going to bring the 1/3 to the front. Okay, so if it's brought to the front, you're going to put 1/3 in the front as a coefficient. Now we can go ahead and expand it. So it's going to be 1/3 log base 5 x squared plus 1/3 log base 5 of y. You can also do the power property one more time. Bring the 2 to the front. So 2 is going to multiply by 1/3. So we're going to erase this. And then it's going to be 2/3. And that's going to be your expansion. So starting from number 24, we're going to be condensing the log expressions. So we have the subtraction, which means that if you apply the quotient property, this is going to equal to natural log of 12 divided by 4, and this is going to equal to natural log of 3. For number 26, before you apply the product property to combine the common logs, you're going to have to use the power property to bring the 2 to become the exponent of the argument. So this is going to equal to common log of x to the 2nd power plus log of 11. So now we can just go ahead and apply the product property. So this is going to equal to log of 11x to the 2nd power. Okay, let's check on number 28. So let's go ahead and start with the power property. So bring the 6 and 4 to become the exponent of 2 and y. So this is going to equal to natural log of 2 to the 6th power minus natural log of y to the 4th power. So we know that 2 to the 6th power, it's going to be 64. So we can rewrite this as natural log of 64 minus natural log of y to the 4th power. So here we can use the quotient property, combine the two log expressions. So this is going to equal to natural log of 64 over y to the 4th power. So for number 30, you see that 2 is the only coefficient. We're going to have to apply the power property. So we can rewrite this as log base 3 of 4 plus log base 3 of 1/2 to the second power, and this is going to equal to 1/4 plus log base 3 of x. Now let's go ahead and combine them. So it's going to equal to log base 3 of 4 times 1/4 times x, and this is going to equal to log base 3 of x. So now I'm going to be using the change of base formula. So number 34, I'm going to change it to the common log. So this is going to equal to log of 13 over log of 5. For number 40, I'm going to show you guys how to change it to the natural log. So this is going to equal to natural log of 9 over 40 over natural log of 3. And that's it. All right, that's it for this lesson. Take care.